This is a story about a beautiful feather, beautiful flowers and thorns, and the breeze. A story about nature. Today I was standing in nature when a beautiful feather dropped right on my shoulder. Very gently he sat for a while before sliding down and being moved by the gentle breeze towards a thorn. He sat there for a while before being nudged again by the gentle breeze, this time to the ground. I watched him gently fall. His fall was graceful and gentle, just like him. The gentleness of nature aroused in me, and I picked him up gently. I was looking at him, and he was looking at me. He was still as beautiful as he was when I saw him drop from the skies onto my shoulder. The thorns did not make any difference to him, and neither did the fall. The breeze too could not do anything unto him, except help him move more gracefully. He just seemed unaware of the torments of life, for his real nature was gentleness. Just then, another breeze blew him gently off my hand, and he slid down again, falling this time on a beautiful little flower. Or probably the flower was waiting for the feather. But then the breeze was persistent, as though it wanted not for the flower to settle or rest. But no sooner the feather left the flower, another flower seemed to be waiting for it, and the feather gracefully again landed on that flower. The breeze continued. The feather too continued, gracefully now sliding on to an awaiting leaf. This flower family seemed to be cushioning the feather's fall. I continued watching in awe, in silence. The breeze continued. From there, the feather gently moved down to the ground. And as the feather gracefully vanished back into nature, I wondered if the breeze too was only helping it. For it now seemed very obvious that the breeze had only been gently helping its graceful fall from the skies onto my shoulder, to the thorn, to the flower, to yet another flower, to the leaf, and then gently to the earth. I had just learned something very beautiful from nature. Everything in nature is in complete harmony. Nothing in nature hinders each other, be it even the thorns. Everything welcomes each other with ready embraces, and easily letting go when the need be, without any control, without any attachment. All of them simply exist in pure awareness, gracefully present and alive. In this beautiful awareness, I had become one with them, one with nature. For from the time it landed on my shoulder, it had made me aware of beautiful conscious life around me and showed it all to me in a beautiful little story. Meanwhile, allowing me to be a part of their story. I moved my hand in gratitude to embrace the flowers, and I promised that I would capture this beautiful story for other beautiful souls to see, so that they too become aware of a beautiful conscious world around them. Gratitude.